Have you never wondered why restaurant pizza looks so different than homemade pizza? Now I want to give you some tips for have the same result at home. Use pizza stone. This is lava stone. You can buy it online or on the shop. Put it on the lowest position in the oven. Oven has to be powerful. Set it on the maximum degrees and with ventilation if you have it. A shovel, lapio, usually sold with a pizza stone. A scale. Why the scale? Because if you take the weight of the ingredients that we are going to mix in the dough machine, in the uudet, we know for sure the result we are going to have after 48 hours. Uudet or dough machine, we need a good one, powerful and solid enough for mix our dough. Don't use, if you want a bubbling effect pizza, the rolling pin. Scratch the pizza with your hands. For open pizza, use dusting flour. You can use durum or rice dusting flour as I use. In this way, you don't bring the excess of flour in the oven. And most importantly, use quality products for your pizza.